Oh no! Wait. That's fine. I don't care about that. Lock that door for all I care. See how that gets you. We're almost there. We're almost there. Okay, there we go. No, you. What did I do to deserve this? No, hang up there. There we go. Do we? Oh shit. Oh, fuck me. Fuck me! I should have just kept blasting the thing. Oh god, oh god. Let's explore this whole area. Oh no. What's this room looking like? Okay, so the only way is up. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god! Don't you fucking do it! God. Uh-oh. Oh! Yes! No heckin' redeem. No! That's so mean. That's smart. I need more ideas for my redeems because I have no idea what to use them for. I'm a bad streamer, I'm sorry. Oh. Alright, where's this piece of shit at? No, illegal, illegal! You piece of shit! Yes! Get the fuck out of here, Lime! Oh, hey dog, how you doing? I hate these things so much. Do I get to taste Lime? Oh, am I the Mountain Dew now? Morph Ball, finally! I knew I had to be getting it soon. Allow Samus to curl into a ball and enter narrow spaces. Press Zol or tilt Lol down when crouched to transform. On Morph Ball form, press B to jump. When standing next to a narrow tunnel near ground level, press B while moving toward the tunnel with L with Lol. Damn it. To automatically switch to Morph Ball form and enter. This also works while grabbing to a ledge. Hey! Now this second place is clear. Thank heck. Ooh! Okay, so there's a goodie. Ooh, there's a... Oh! That's cool. Wait, how do I... There we go. Shoot. I want to clear that real quick. I didn't see that. Oh! That's good, that's good. Oh. Wait, what are they making? Oh, they're making robots. Or is that more Emmys? I don't like that. Hey! Oh, the scary room. What's the... Oh, buggies. Woo! Oh! We can go in the mouth! Oh, I don't like that. What are you screaming at me for? Wait. Ow! Aha! Aha! Missile plus tank plus 10. Holy crap! What's this? Oh man. Or objective? Okay, so they want me to go. What? Alright, see ya! Wow! Samus is an angel. I swear, if they're making even more Emmys, I'm gonna be upset. The fresh new Dread you've been looking for. Well, listen to this! Hey, it's Grufflephone, how you doing? Connecticut with me with its potato. Marathon, welcome everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Ah, finally, a new zone I've never been to before. Except for the time that I was here. Heck yeah, I need that 6 energy! Oh, not enough to grab onto. Oh, those hurt? You angry? Oh! Heck yeah. Okay, where might I even want to go here? I think I'd like to go that way. Yeah, we're saving after all that. Yes! Another heart piece. Oh no, buggies! Ah! Leave me alone. What's that? Oh, I don't like those things. Whoa, no, not so bad. Whoa, gosh. Is there like a tunnel somewhere, maybe? Oh well. I'm sure we'll figure it out. Wah! Jump for more fuel. Oh! Well, now the room's on fire. Oh, and now I can't go out that way. Okay. Oh! It's heating up the room! Oh god! Ah! Ah! Oh, that's so... Oh, fuck. Ah, God! Stop it! I think I hacked that room up. Sorry. What is the blue? I don't know yet. Oh well. Oh, don't like that, certainly. Ooh! I like this! Bombs, maybe? Oh no. Grapple? No. Super missile? I have no idea. Ooh, space boots? Oh! Oh! The Vera suit! I mean, Varia. I mean... Heck yeah! Yeah, the Vera suit. That's it. That makes sense. Now there's all the heats. Reduce damage taken from enemy attacks and insulates Samus from extreme heat. However, it does not prevent damage from extreme cold and lava. In addition, the various suit slightly increases the dash's melee range. Okay. Holy crap! I always forget about that. It's cool looking though. Alright, now we can... Heck yeah. Heat, no problem. I'm hotter. That's lava, isn't it? Yep. Ow. Okay. I will have to come back for those missiles. It's interesting how there's like still dark parts of the map where you haven't touched yet, I guess. How you dorks live down here? Oh! Woo! Ah! Oh! That's where I was trying to go earlier. Cool. Or hot. Maybe I try to go down there next. Hey Blade, how you doing? Hey, Accounting Nightmare, hope you're doing well. What is this? Oh, the teleporter. Oh, I'm stuck here now. Okay. Yeah, it fell. I guess I have to teleport then. It's okay, we got our hot suit now. And that looks cool, I like it. The Wario suit. That's right. Hey, weirdly shaped cat, how you doing? Okay, now we can heat it. Just heat it, heat it, heat it, heat it. Na 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 na. Come on, Samus, you got this. Na na na. Kataris. This is my best zone because I'm cat or something. I don't know. We did go over here, I think. Maybe, but I can also go down there now. And up here, and over there. Woo! Alright, this is just the save room. Sure. Let's save again, why not? It's a really cute emote. I need some. Hopefully I get some new ones sometime. Oh yeah, I guess I just go right here. Oh! That also would have let me out. Oh. Oh, okay, there we go. That's not so bad. Ow, and I still fell in the gosh dang lava. Well, that's rude. I don't like those things. But also heck them. God, that's so smooth. Ooh. Why is there this meat in the wall everywhere? Someone answer me that, eh? Secret, I don't like that noise. Oh. Actual boss time. Hey, what's up? Yeah, get out of here, you dork. Am I in the crunchy face? Hello. Ah! Uh-oh. Spicy boss? Let's go. Oh shit. Is this Kraid? Did they redo Kraid? Oh shit, it is! Holy fuck! What up, idiot? Samus, don't give a frick! Well, alright. You're gonna break free. Oh, it did. Samus, don't give a shit. Ew, that's gross! Yeah, I know, Samus, I can see it. I don't want to see it, it's gross. Ow, that's new. Oh shit. Oh shit! I need to be careful. Oh. You fricker! That's the first time I've just died to damage. God! He said, nah. Oh god! Alright, bye! No! Oh god, right, I forgot! Ah! Okay, we're good. Hey! That wasn't so bad. Oh, don't step on it, gross! Oh! What? Samus don't give a heck. Wait, now the lava kills it? But it was chilling in the lava the whole time? And it was fine? Oh well. That was a cool fight. Oh, don't do that. Only Crit's butt is fireproof. That makes sense. The fusion beam? What is this? What is this? Causes charge beam shots to explode on impact. Pressing and hold wide charge and restore fire. Penetrates through terrain. Interesting. Heck yeah.